Hello everyone, I am your friend Mr. Nachiket Doshi, working as a junior application scientist at Advent Informatics. And today I'm going to talk about installation of ICM Pro on a Linux platform. So initially you need to go into the MolSoft support website, wherein if you are a new user you need to register and then you can log in, and you need to go into the Linux section and access the ICM Pro full package. So when you collapse that, you can see that there are different installation links. So if you need to download ICM Pro with OpenMM for molecular dynamics, you can use this particular link and then the download will start. So I have already downloaded this particular file. You can see the downloaded file here. Now you can open a terminal from this particular location, and you need to type in the same command that we had seen on the website. So this is the command. So you can just simply copy paste this command to unpack your package, that is the ICM Pro full package. You have to make sure that you edit this particular command with ICM OpenMM as well if you have downloaded the package with ICM OpenMM, just like this, and just press enter. It will ask you to, if you want to install into this particular path, just type Y for yes. Now you can see that this package has gotten installed. Now to access this package, you can simply copy paste the link that you are seeing here. You just need to paste it in the same terminal and just give an enter. Yeah. So initially when we have not provided a license to you, so you can just copy paste this entire error message to clipboard using copy to clipboard and just email us the entire contents of the error message. After that, we'll be providing a license file for you. So you can see I have placed this license file in the same extension or in the same path. So now if you type on this command, you simply need to browse, and you need to browse it to access the license file that we have provided for you. Just like this. Then click on open, and when the link is and the link is shown on the browse. After browsing, you can just click on OK, and that will start the software. Now, if you have opted for a floating license, we'll provide you a link wherein you can download all the relevant files for your LMX server. So you need to download all these files and save it in one particular folder. Other than that, you also need to place the license file that we have provided to you in the same LMX folder. Now, to make the LMX server executable, you need to type in the command chmod space +x space LMX serve. This will make the LMX server file executable. So after it is made executable, you need to type in a command that is /LMX serve space -l space license.lic in order to start the LMX server. Now, once your LMX server is started, now you can see that it is showing ready to serve, which means that the LMX server has started. So now you can open a fresh terminal and access your ICM Pro full package using the same path that in where you have saved the ICM Pro full package, and then just type in space -g. So that will load the GUI, and if you just press on enter, now you need to go into the server option, wherein in the location you need to write in the IP address that you have provided to us, and that will start the software.